Okay, we're back for problem 26. Looks a little intimidating when you look at it for the first time, but actually it's not that bad. They give us f prime, and they ask us a whole bunch of questions about increasing and decreasing. Well, you know something is increasing and decreasing based upon f prime. And then they give you f double prime, and they ask a bunch of questions about concavity. Well, you know that something is concave up or down based upon f double prime. So we have all the relevant information. Now let's go ahead and actually look at these functions themselves and see if we can decipher them. So we have ln of x over x. Well, important to understand that ln of x, well, this is when we're talking about this being negative and positive. We know when x is going to be negative and positive, but ln of x is positive when x is bigger than 1. Okay, so ln of x, if you remember the graph of ln of x for pre-calc, ln of 1 was 0. Okay, so basically all values where x is greater than 1, I'm going to have a positive numerator, and well, if x is greater than 1, it would obviously have a positive denominator as well. So x has to be greater than 1. So x is increasing for x greater than 1. And I think that's we can just eliminate all the choices except for C and D based upon that, which is pretty outstanding. F is increasing. Let's just double check that. Yes, we can. All right, cool. Now you look at the next part, and it's that same concept. We know that ln is positive for x greater than 1. Well, right here, we have the 1 there. Well, when is ln equal to 1? Because that would be that point where this changes sign. Well, ln of e is equal to 1. Okay, anything bigger than that, we're going to be subtracting something bigger than 1, and that would be negative. Now, x squared on the bottom, always positive. Anything squared is always positive. So really, let's look at this. Concave down when x is greater than e, and that's true. C's the right answer here, because if I picked a big number here, well, that's going to make my ln bigger than 1. I'm going to have 1 minus something bigger than 1. It's going to give me a negative number, which is going to be concave down. Maybe pause this, look at this a little bit more, see if you understand this. Intimidating looking, really not that challenging given the fact that you just need to know the values of ln and your definitions for increasing, decreasing, and concavity. All right, we're almost done the first section. I'll see you guys back for problem 27.